The Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, has left hospital. Mr Johnson has paid tribute to the NHS, saying there is no question health workers saved his life. He thanked two nurses, Jenny McGee from New Zealand and Luis Pitarma from Portugal, who stood by his side for 48 hours at the most critical time. Ms McGee's parents told Television New Zealand they are exceptionally proud of their daughter.
It was a very surreal time. She just couldn't believe that that was what was happening, that she was actually treating the Prime Minister of the UK.
The UK has now had over 10,000 COVID-19 related deaths. The number of reported deaths does not include deaths outside hospital, like those in care homes. The total number of COVID-19 infections in the UK is now over 80,000 confirmed. Some scientists say the UK may ultimately have the highest death rate in the whole of Europe. The UK is entering the fourth week of lockdown with a review on restrictions expected later this week. Ministers have said they want to be sure the UK has passed the peak of the outbreak before easing the restrictions, amid concerns about the long-term impact on the economy, including a potential drop in GDP in the second quarter of this year. A formal review of the strict social distancing measures is expected on Thursday. One of the worst hit countries in the world, Spain, is starting to ease its lockdown today, allowing some workers to go back to work. The global death toll now passed 100,000 across the world. India has recorded over 9,000 positive cases and over 300 deaths. New York has over 9,000 deaths as the daily number rises. China, where the virus is said to have originated, has reported 108 new coronavirus cases, with 98 of them imported. The Chinese telecoms company Huawei has said that disrupting its involvement in the rollout of 5G would do Britain a disservice. Boris Johnson approved the Chinese company having a limited stake in the UK's 5G development, but Conservative backbenchers attempted to overturn this in March. Huawei's UK chief, Victor Zhang, said there had been a 50% boost to home data use during the course of the virus outbreak in the UK. And that's the news. We're back tonight at 7.